Hi, my YouTube family, how are you? I hope you've had a good day in so far. Today's lesson is very interesting because in today's lesson, I have brought to you phrases, English language phrases, and very interesting ones that I use in my daily communication. Now, these might as well not be formal English phrases because most of them might as well end up being slangs in daily communication. And these are actually slangs as well, some of them, not all of them. Let's get down to business in today's video and start talking about the phrases that I use in daily communication. The first phrase is hit me up. What is hit me up? Hit me up does not mean hit me with a stick. For example, when you went on a dinner, maybe with a friend, and the dinner's done, you guys are parting ways, you're asking your friend, do text me when you reach home. Now, text me is actually similar to hit me up. In fact, it actually means the same. Hit me up means text me. And you can use it, you can use this phrase in your daily communication, not just on WhatsApp messages, but in spoken English as well. And you can say, hit me up as you reach home. One more time. Hit me up as you reach home. I hope you've understood hit me up and you'll use that in your daily communication from today onwards. Let's move to the second one. Play it by ear. What is play it by ear? Play it by ear means to go with the flow, to not to worry about things. For example, your university exams are coming up. These are final semester exams. You are an engineering student, and most of you might as well be. And you're worried about the final score that you get because that score basically decides your career chart ahead. So one of you has a good friend as well, and that friend suggests you play it by ear. That means go with the flow. Do not worry a lot. So your friend says, play it by ear. Do not worry a lot. So that means go with the flow. To go with the flow and not to worry about the current situation. Let's move to the third one. It's on me. Well, have you gone on a date when talking to both boys and girls, when the better person, when your partner, your date, not a partner, your date says, it's on me. Well, have you heard that phrase said by somebody? It primarily means that the bill is on the person. That means the person is generous enough to pay the bill for the day, for that particular dinner or lunch or the meal that you went on. So, it's on me means I will pay the bill. Means I will pay the bill. For example, you say, I think you have waited a lot for me. Please don't worry, it's on me. That means, I think you've waited a lot for me. Please don't worry about the bill because I will pay the bill. It is on me. Let's now move to the next one. The next one is not in my books. Not in my books basically means to disagree with somebody. Now, it does not mean disagreeing argumentatively or disagreeing rudely. It's a very neutral phrase that you can use in your daily communication. It means to disagree with somebody. For example, if you have a friend who says, hey, smoking really takes away the anxiety and makes you less nervous, then you can say, I'm sorry, it's not in my books. I shan't do that. Shan't means I shall not do that. Again, one more time. I'm sorry, it is not in my books. I shan't do that. Next phrase is sleep on it. Sleep on it does not, I'm not talking about any material possession that you'll sleep on. I'm talking about a situation wherein you're worried about something, or not worried for that matter, and somebody says, sleep on it. That means think about it. What does it mean? To think about. Sleep on it means to think about. For example, you went for an interview and you basically disagree with the person on the money that you have settled for yourself for the salary. And the person, the HR, says to you, please sleep on it, think about it, and get back to me tomorrow. sleep on it and get back to me on this tomorrow. Think about the package that we are offering and please get back to us tomorrow. That is how we can use sleep on it. Next phrase in this list and the last phrase is beats me. Beats me means makes me nervous. So anything that makes you nervous is beats me. And how is it beats me? Well, this is actually related to heart. When you get nervous, what happens? Your heart beats fast. And that is how this phrase has been taken from that particular context. And that is beats me to get nervous. One more time. Beats me is to get nervous. For example, it beats me to see the exams are approaching. It beats me to see the exams are approaching. It makes me nervous to notice the fact that the exams are around the corner, is how you can use this phrase in your daily communication. The next phrase is break a leg. Now, I think in one of the videos we've already spoken about this phrase, and we'll do it today as well because it is something that I use as an interesting one in my daily communication. Break a leg does not mean that you have a leg and you take a hockey stick and you actually break it. Oh my God, sounds horrible. Break a leg actually means to say good luck to somebody. That means break everything and I wish you a very, very good luck with the thing that you're starting and you're getting on. That means good luck. Good luck is very famous and just about everybody uses good luck. I'd like to request you to kind of change this vocabulary, alter this vocabulary, and use it in your daily communication. Break a leg is good luck. For example, break a leg, kill the exam. That means good luck for the exam. Next phrase is okay by me. Okay by me is the opposite of not in my books. Not in my books is disagree. So what is the opposite of disagree? Agree. Okay by me means agree. For example, if you say, it's okay by me if you come late. Well, my mother sometimes tells me definitely when I worked hard enough for the day and she says, it's okay by me if you come late. Relax, have a cup of coffee wherever you are and then come. Okay by me, agree. I agree if you come late. I'm comfortable with that. I have no problem. Let's move to the next one. Age before beauty. Age before beauty is a very sensible phrase that all of us can use in our daily communication. Age before beauty means that beauty does not count for me. What counts for me is one's knowledge of life, one's understanding of life, and one's sensibilities of life. Basically, knowledge counts for me more in a person. Knowledge counts to me more than their beauty. So, means knowledge before appearance. I do not look at somebody, how beautiful they are, and judge the person on the basis of that. I judge the person on the basis of knowledge before their appearance. So how can you use this sentence? Well, I'm only selecting my life partner on the basis of age before beauty. That means you're going to select your life partner on the basis of, yes, on the basis of their knowledge. Knowledge does not mean general knowledge. Knowledge means understanding, maturity of life than their appearance, which is their superficiality, outer looks. The last one in the list of interesting English phrases I love using in my daily communication is blue ribbon. What is blue ribbon? Blue ribbon is quite similar to one of the phrases that we used in one of the classes, and that is la-di-da. Blue ribbon means coming from a higher class. What does it mean? Coming from a superior quality or a superior class. For example, it can be used for people and it can also be used for non-living things as well. I'll just first write the meaning. Blue ribbon is higher quality or superior quality. For example, if I say that the judges that were appointed to declare the decision were of blue ribbon group. That means the judges that were appointed to find the solution, to decide onto the final decision of the issue, come from a very superior class. That's how we can use this phrase. Thank you very much for being with me on this lesson. In this lesson, we spoke about certain very interesting phrases that I use in my daily communication. If you liked the video, then please do press the like button and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you very much. May all your dreams come true and continue learning English with Hridhaan on Let's Talk.